Hi, we finished Java Basics, close it, select Java method, right-click and add a new class. Lecture 10, void, method. Select main as usual, click Finish. Today's scenario will be run marketing slogan campaign. And lesson objective, learn and apply Java void method. Now I need to explain you something. What is method? Method is simply speaking a piece of functionality which you might reuse a number of times. Here I placed comment. A method, also known as function, is a reusable, the keyword is reusable block of code declared within a class which runs only when being called. I will show you. And I'd like to introduce you to two new keywords. Keyword static and keyword void. Keyword static means that the method belongs to class name and is not an object of this class. Keyword void means that this method does not have a return value. I will show you later how. Now let's create our first method inside this class, but outside of the main method. Static void called method. Parentheses, curly brackets, and let's place some kind of code. Let me format it. Okay. Print line. And let's place a text. Let's format it again. Good. Now, to call this method, we need simply place a method name inside and execute it. Execute using semicolon. Let's run it. As you can see, it became, because it's method, it became italic. Let's run it. Exactly what we want. Now, we can call this method, any method, we can call as many times as we want. That's why it's called functionality, to deliver a program functionality whenever it's wanted. Here we go. Now, let's create something useful now. And let's say I'm gonna rename it. I call it slogan project. And I will place something interesting. Good. I'll copy paste it. Let's create management. Statistic. Okay. Let's create another void function. Development. Most operations are most now copy paste user acceptance. Acceptance is very job of final T. Okay, let's do something else. People. Oh, success. Celebration. Sorry, here. Celebrate. The outcome. Next, I'd like to introduce you, let's say, humor. Humor is the secret weapon of team success. And maybe party, last one. Party. It's more like Hawaiian style. If it's marketing, so it should be exclamation marks. And now I'm gonna call all of them. Slogan project, slogan management, slogan development, slogan user acceptance, slogan people, slogan success, slogan celebration, slogan humor, and let's say slogan party. How many of them? Never mind. File, save, okay, and let's execute them. Let me check it. Okay, I forgot at slogan party to add a semicolon to execute it. Let's see once again. Good, we executed all slogans. Very good result. So what did you learn today? Today you learned about method, what is method, its callable functionality, and you learned two keywords, static and void. Void means that your method does not return a value. See you once again. See you in the next lecture.